Hello everyone, this is Camila from KOMATCO. Our company has a 16-year history in the field of construction machinery, and we export to more than 200 countries. Today we are visiting LUTONG factory and check some machines for our clients. Okay, let's go. Here we arrived at the LUTONG factory. Today I'd like to introduce the LTC203 roller. It is a hot-selling model of our company. This machine weighs 3.3 tons. It is a vibrating double drum roller. Let's take a look at its appearance. This machine is bright yellow with a smooth body and very beautiful. The whole machine has a nice shape with compact structure and small size. It is hydraulic dual-wheel drive, adopts dual-wheel vibration and hydraulic steering with reliable performance. It is extremely flexible and can do rolling walk in narrow ground. Its engine adopts Changchai diesel engine, which has stable performance, permanent maintenance, energy saving, and environmental protection. Friends, are you interested in our roller? If you want to know more information, please feel free to contact us. Welcome your consultation. See you next time. Bye.